Can I tell you something I wish somebody had told me 30 years ago? Pain is valuable. Please don't turn off or cancel me, but only if you learn from it. Otherwise, it's just suffering for suffering. I've been through divorce, struggled with addiction, buried my friends and family. I've been fat for 30 years, sat in hospital rooms wondering if I was going to make it through. I've made every mistake almost that still make me shake my head every day. For years, I asked myself one question: why? Why is this happening to me? Wrong question, Generation X. The better question is, what is this trying to teach me, and why am I not learning? Every painful experience leaves you with a choice. You can be pissed off, bitter, and blaming everyone else. You can spend the next 20 or 30 years blaming everybody else who hurt you. Or you can take that pain, let it become wisdom, make the pain mean something. My divorce made me look at me before I started pointing. My addiction taught me that excuses don't change your life. My health problems taught me that tomorrow is not guaranteed. My failures taught me humility, and every scar that I have has taught me something that I can use to help someone else. That's when your pain becomes valuable. Not just pain, but not when it happens, when it changes you, molds you, you get smarter. Think about the strongest people that you have ever met. None of them have easy lives. They became strong because life forced them to grow. Your pain can either become your prison or your education. You get to decide. Don't waste what you've been through. Make the pain mean something. Let it make you wiser. Let it make you kinder, stronger, stronger, stronger. Because one day, someone else is going to be standing exactly where you are. Your story might be the reason that they don't give up. If you're in the middle of starting over, I want you to remember this. Your pain doesn't have to define your entire life. It can prepare you. I'm an accountability coach, and if you would like somebody to walk along with you who has been through all of that, type I'm in so I can see you following along with me. Send me a DM and tell me what's going on with you. Maybe I can help you. Thank you so much for watching Generation X, and I'll see you on the next one.